Coming up next on Warm Strong Adventures. All right, I'm late to the party. Guess what day it is? It's cruise day. Whenever I see the new ship for a first time, you should see the big smile on my face. Well, I guess I could turn the camera around. All right, we are here at the Port of Tampa, getting ready to board this Margaritaville at sea. You got Controversial Cruising over there.
Let's go.
I'm still Edna's World, Life with V. I'm still a little sick from last night. Too much drinking. I think I'm gonna be the only person with a drink package that doesn't drink anything on the ship. Made it through check-in, and now I'm in the VIP section. It can't be this many VIPs. Can't be. This is crazy. I mean, they're calling out this group. The last group I heard was just if you needed extra time to get on. I don't know what's going on here. Everybody's just lining up and just rushing the gangway. The confusion is real, people. It's real. Can you believe this? Look at, we're stuck in here. No air. I'm dying.
How am I supposed to breathe with no air?
Okay, we're moving. We're moving. We are through that long wait. We are almost there. Not much longer. Hello.
Welcome aboard, folks.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, straight ahead. That's a big.
Can you see it? Oh my. Almost there.
I can feel the air now.
Another 10 steps. Be on board.
Good to go. Scan it in. Welcome. That's what I want to see. Yeah, that would. Wait. Welcome aboard, guys.
Thank you.
Have fun.
This is nice. Well,
This reminds me of like an old carnival ship, Bill.
this does. I love it. With these colors, it feels like I'm at a beach resort or something like that. It doesn't feel like a cruise ship. Something about that green color pool throws me off. I can't lie. I can't wait to try the Mexican Cutie Cantina. This is going to be one of my go-to places. You know the food is always fresh and hot. Let's see what the buffet is talking about. Andre! Hello. Mississippi pot roast, grilled chicken, fish asada, grilled zucchini and carrots, Al Forno potatoes, char grilled broccoli and cauliflower, pasta, Paley? How do you say that? I say just rice. Nice salad bar. Had to come up here to JWB Steakhouse to make my reservation. Decided to make it for the second night. I didn't want to do it for tonight. I wanted to check out the main dining room for tonight. I can't wait for the Cellway party. Got to see what it's going to be like here on Margaritaville. Okay, quick first impression. I walked around a little bit. I'm absolutely loving this. They did a great job remodeling this ship. Spirit class, I know it's an older ship. They did a great job remodeling. It looks good. We're starting our Cellway. I had to come up here and get a shot of the view of Cellway from Tampa. I love Tampa, by the way. Now let me get ready to go back down here to the Cellway party. One thing I noticed, it really doesn't feel that crowded. Even though we're getting ready for Cellway and the Cellway party, it doesn't feel crowded. Even though it wasn't that crowded, man, did we have fun. Time to head to the nightclub.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on
The night is almost over. Time to try some Frank's and Lola's pizza. There you go. It looks, to me, I like it. It looks like it's good. I haven't had a bite yet, so I'll let you know shortly. All right, people. It's been a long day. It is over. Good night. Embarkation day. It's all over. We'll catch you tomorrow. It's a sea day.
We'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them. You